Good evening, everyone. Today topic is respiratory disorder. RDS means respiratory distress syndrome. It is a breathing problem in newborn. It is due to lack of surfactant. So this problem is called RDS. Now one more respiratory disorder is asthma. Asthma due to or involve spasm and inflammation and narrowing of bronchi and bronchi. Pneumonia caused due to bacteria. A pathogen. The pathogen is bacteria. Here the bacteria is streptopneumonia pathogen. It is a bacterial pathogen. Fourth one, tuberculosis. Simply we can use TB. The causative organism for tuberculosis is a bacteria. The bacteria is mycotuberculosis. So TB day observed on 24th March. So there is a vaccine for TB, tuberculosis. So that is BCG vaccine. It provides artificial active immunity. So this BCG full form is Bacillus. It is a Bacillus type of bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and this was discovered by two scientists. They are Calmette and Guerin. Hence, the name came as a BCG, Bacillus calmette and Guerin, and it is the first vaccines to be given a newborn child after delivery. It's first vaccines to given a newborn baby or after delivery, and it is a live attenuated type of vaccines. Live attenuated means these vaccines can prepared by use by weak the pathogenicity of the mycobacterium bovis and live strains. So it uses live strain of mycobacterium bovis. So this vaccine was prepared from mycobacterium bovis strain, and these vaccines can be weak and it can be live strain. For TB diagnosis, test was Montauk's test can be used for diagnosis of TB. So this is all about the tuberculosis. And one more important respiratory disorder was CO. Yeah, COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, in which there are two diseases there. They are emphysema. One more is bronchitis. So this emphysema, it is a chronic disorder, so in which alveolar walls are damaged. In emphysema, the alveolar walls are damaged. Due to alveolar walls are damaged, the respiratory surface area will be decreased. One of the major causes of emphysema is cigarette smoking. So this is all about the emphysema. Now coming to bronchitis. So bronchitis is also a chronic disorder, so in which inflammation of lining of bronchi and bronchioles. So due to which excess production of mucus will occur. So this is all about the bronchitis, and this emphysema and bronchitis both are chronic disorder. Hence, they are comes under chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Now, occupational respiratory disorder. In this disorder, primarily involve lung or pulmonary fibrosis from dust. Here, fibrosis means generally proliferation of tissues of lungs. Number of tumors will be formed in the lungs, and in which we have several occupational respiratory disorder. In that, first one is silico. Here silicosis means due to exposure of silica dust in industries. And one more occupational respiratory disorder is asbestosis. So it is due to asbestos dust. And one more respiratory disorder is siderosis. So siderosis is due to exposure with iron, ferrous iron dust. And one more respiratory disorder, anthrosis. It is due to exposure of coal dust. Last one more important, that is bicino cotton dust in cotton industries. Bicinosis disorder in coal industries, anthrosis, iron, siderosis due to asbestos dust, asbestosis due to silica dust, silicosis. So these all are the various occupational respiratory disorder. So with this we have completed each and every types of respiratory disorder as per NCERT. Now here there are some important notes related to respiratory disorder. Apnea means normal breathing is called. One more important Nia means painful breathing. Hypernia means breath rate will be increase. Hyper means increase. One more, hyponia means breath rate will be decrease. Aponia, in which no breathing. So no breathing condition is called aponia. Breath rate will be decreased called hyponia. Breath rate will be increased called hypernia. And painful breathing called dyspnea. And normal breathing called apnea. So these all are various respiratory related disorder. So here I have provided three important MCQs, highly important, and they are NCRT based MCQs. So first MCQs here: a chronic disorder in which alveolar walls are damaged, leading to a major decrease in the respiratory surface area. So option is here for asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, ORD. One more MCQ here, second MCQs. Yeah, inflammation of the joints is called arthritis, while the inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles causing wheezing is a characteristic symptoms of. So here there are four options are there: silicosis, asbestosis, asthma, emphysema. One more MCQ here. Yeah. So which of the following respiratory disorder is correctly matched with its primary cause or characteristic feature? So here there are four options are there. So this is all about the entire concept of respiratory disorder. So thank you. Have a nice day.